A guy came up to me today, gave me a piece of paper about God. All my life, I believe in the wrong way. Why do I believe in shamanism? Has it benefited me? I really don't know. And now there's a God, Jesus Christ, a Christian.
I wanna shine for you and be a light to this world and let the whole earth know that you are King.
We're Hmong, shamanism.
Part of my culture is shamanism, and I think that believing in shamanism is really the root of my tradition and culture, and part of my identity.
Oh, it's passed down. You know, my parents are doing it, and I just gotta stick to it.
It's traditional. You just follow what your parents do.
Cú yên trên họ bao nhiêu giờ yên trên là muốn này, thì như nếu thì yên quan yên trên đó giờ cũng trên hơn đó.
Because that's the way we grew up as, and that's how we're supposed to believe, and Christianity is actually another way to go.
I was born to believe in shamanism, and like it's supposed to protect me from all the bad things, and
like she said, we kind of grew up believing in shamanism, and it's just a way of life for us.
Oh, vì hay cái yun nát thử yun bao giờ chỉ châu yun bao giờ yun này yun chỉ to muốn để cho yên là xíu giờ yun tính yun này yun chỉ tính cho kiến trên đó.
I don't think a tradition. I guess it got passed down from family to family.
Is it something that you find yourself doing?
Yeah, kind of. Not really, but it's kind of dying now these days with new generations. Not really benefit me any kind of way at all.
Well, it benefits me by understanding myself, understanding my roots and my parents, and understanding my culture, and it benefited me because I think everybody has some sort of belief, and mine just happens to be shamanism.
Yeah, I was a nobody, so it helped me to be somebody.
Yeah, it has helped me in many situations. I can say that being shaman, I'm proud of it.
Cũng cho cái cha cô nó mà khó ba li cha chỉ bỏ để xí hơi à li hơi dùng mỗi lu mi khó chơi dùng tê túi tê kia là hơi dùng lấy tiền mua món kia là dùng mua trâu thủ trâu gì có to phí là cho lầu là những bát thế. Cho cái gì phát triển nó mà những gì to để những rong theo vì cha của hai li nó thấu cũng mấy tu nó nè đá lâu kia đời cũng nè thép cũng gì cơ mà giờ nó nè dùng cổ ít lao mà từ nè đá lâu nữa to mò mà mò chỉ rong chơi nên bên trên kia thì rong thép bên trên kia.
why not? You know, it's like He is the truth, and He's the way and the life, and once you know Him, it's like there's no way you can take away from Him, no way you can go away from Him, you know what I mean?
Because with Him we have everything, but without Him we have nothing.
物質呢都只被知道了，公正道的物質都被知道，所以要透過給人寫嘅解釋咗物質啦。
I believe God is beyond all names. His names is so powerful, you know. When you think about love, we think about just loving one another. But for God, He loves us unconditionally. He loves us to the point where when we mess up, He is still willing to give His hand for us. And God is my hope, God is my belief, and God is my faith. That is the reason why I am alive today. It's because of God and the way He changed my life.
The truth of the matter of fact is, you look at the stairs, man, it shows you two things. You know, there's people going up, people coming down, and the honest truth is in life, there's only two ways you can go. It's to go up to heaven or go down to hell.